What's up, YouTube? All the vacuum people out there. I've got a vacuum I want to show everybody that I picked up this week. It was one of those finds at a pawn shop. I saw it and I didn't know what it was, so I researched it and I went back and got it, and the price was right. Obviously, it's a Windsor Sensor S12. It doesn't really look like much, but it's a commercial vac, so you know it doesn't have all the fancy stuff on it that you would find with a Dyson or something. It's for work, not for messing around the house with. But I'm gonna have my wife hold the camera and I'm gonna show some of the stuff that I found out about it. Even looking online, it's actually got two belts in it, and it's got like a computer board in it too, or something, because of all of the sensors in it, or something that I don't know. It can tell when the bag's getting full, and it puts on a light for that. So it's got a lot more going on inside it. So not something I'll be using all the time, but I just got it for the channel. So hang on here. All right, what can we show first here? Start with the price. It started out as 100, and I waited until it got down to 64 down here. So I went and paid that. That wasn't a big deal. Over here, the bag is interesting. Now this actually, it raises and lowers the bag to meet up right here. It's got, this is part of the filtration system in it. Now this bag, I won't be able to run it long. It's almost full. We've got new bags on the way, but it's got lights that come on whenever the bag's almost full, and this one is about full. And there's some stuff I haven't figured out yet, like the brush roll thing here. When you press this, it actually comes out of the side where you can take the brush roll out, which is interesting. This guy, it's got a little latch here basically, which is different than you'll see on most vacuums. So that's fairly unique. And then the cable, or the extension cord rather, is definitely unique. Something I haven't seen yet. I'll show you how this works. I don't know why this is the way it is, but what you can do back here, this guy flips down like this, and it comes out, and there's contacts in there that meet up with contacts in here, so you can take the handle right off it. Why, I do not know. Apparently it's like a European vacuum or something made by, what does I say?
Sebo.
Sebo?
Which is a German company.
Something to that nature, yeah. And it's also got a pull out here for doing along walls and stuff. So it's got a lot more going on than what I see in most commercial vacuums. As far as the horsepower it's putting out, you can't compare it to like the Royal that I purchased or anything like that. It's unique though. Let me turn it on. I'll run it for a little bit. It's got, the bag stinks, so I'm not going to run it long.
See, oh look, the little red light was coming on. Yeah. Okay, you guys turn it off, it stinks.
Alright guys, I just wanted to take a few minutes and show that vacuum. I'll be using it on a job soon, so you'll see it again. Anyway, I'm gonna kill this video here, and I've got another video I'm gonna do, so tune in for that here in just a few minutes. Alright guys, I just wanted to take a few minutes and show that vacuum. I'll be using it on a job soon, so you'll see it again. Anyway, I'm gonna kill this video here, and I've got another video I'm gonna do. So tune in for that here in just a few minutes.